Hello and welcome to my video. In this video we going to learn how to convert a PDF to an editable PDF. Let's start. Drag and drop PDF into Microsoft Word. Word will convert your PDF file into editable Word document. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly the original PDF, especially if the original file contained lots of graphics. Press OK. Microsoft Word successfully convert PDF into editable document. Edit document according to your need. Save as PDF document. Great, we successfully edit PDF file according to our need. That's all for now. Keep watching our videos for more tips and tricks. Please subscribe and like our video.